Hi there and welcome back to the Science Report. This week we're going to be talking about proteins. So to get started, there are three nutrients that are essential as energy sources for the human body: proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. As I said, we're going to be talking about proteins. Proteins are any of a class of nitrogenous organic compounds that consist of large molecules composed of long chains of amino acids and are an essential part of all living organisms, especially as structural components of the body tissues such as muscle, hair, collagen, and as enzymes and antibodies. Proteins are made up of amino acids. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins, sort of like nucleotides being the building blocks of DNA. There are 20 amino acids in total. These 20 amino acids can be rearranged in millions of different ways to create millions of different proteins, each of which have a specific function in the body. Amino acids are organic molecules. They're, as a result, made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sometimes sulfur. So in virtually every biological process, proteins are playing a role of some kind. According to a report in the journal Molecular Biology, some of the main functions of proteins in the human body are to, now I'm going to list out some things here, they build, strengthen, and repair or replace things such as tissue. Examples include keratin, which strengthens protective recovering, such as hair. Collagen and elastin both provide support for connective tissue, which is also related to stretch marks, which I'm going to be covering in a later science report. They make antibodies for our immune system. They make hormones, which help cells or send messages and coordinate bodily activities. Muscle contractions, actin and myosin, two types of proteins, are involved in contraction and movement of muscles. They make enzymes, and in most cases they are enzymes. An enzyme facilitates some kind of biochemical reaction. They carry things. Hemoglobin, for example, is a protein that transports oxygen in the blood. Very important. They mediate cell responses. Rhodopsin is a protein in the eye which is used for vision. So let's talk diets. High protein diets may actually help in weight loss. The International Food Council Foundation found that a high percentage of women who eat more protein do not only avoid weight gain, but they also report weight loss. As a side note, the maximum rate at which protein can be absorbed is about 8 to 10 grams per hour. Just something interesting I found. The amount of protein a person should eat, it depends on a lot of specific factors to your own body, like your age and metabolism rate. So back to that diet thing, a high protein diet may be good for bone health even. An investigation published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism revealed that a calorie-controlled diet lower in carbohydrates and higher in protein, along with daily exercise, has a significantly positive impact on bone health in overweight individuals that were obese. So let's talk about other reasons why protein is important and how it relates to world-scale issues. So in most parts of the world where protein deficiency is common, total food energy consumption is also, as a result, very low. That people are not getting enough food. In general, protein deficiency can lead to a variety of problems in the human body. You can have growth problems, wasting and shrinkage of muscle tissue, apathy, diarrhea, fatty liver, swollen belly, swollen legs, anemia, weaker immune system, for certain, leading to higher susceptibility to infection and diseases. All around, just a bad time. Well, that's all we have for this week's science report. I may make another video on proteins because I don't feel I've done this justice. Be sure to leave your comments below on any future topics that you would like covered in next week's science report. And as always, I do hope you're having a fantastic day.